What up, guys? D-Dub's Garage back again. In this one, we are just doing a very quick job on this Honda Twinstar that I showed you guys in the last video. The head is pretty much ready to go. I got it cleaned up as best I could with Scotch-Brite, and then new valve seals are in there. All the valves are cleaned up. Didn't feel any play when I was putting the valves through the guides, so hopefully that's enough there. So we're gonna go ahead and hope that's good. It's all cleaned up, and then I basically just have everything I'm gonna use sitting in bags under the bike, because obviously I have like 2 of everything here. So also I just wanted to show you guys, I thought this was cool. For when I put the new piston rings in it, I actually got Honda specific piston ring compressors, and that's what these are right here. They're specifically designed for this job because you can't use the classic clamp on that's like a circular tool, because then there would be nowhere to put it, because you actually put the entire cylinder bores on over the pistons, so basically you'd just be stuck. So this allows you to pull these off after you compress the rings and then actually get this on there. But you're probably wondering, why is this thing sitting on the vise? We're gonna go ahead and just hone it out with one of these cheapy little hones. It should do a great job. This is from the new engine, so we don't have to clean up all that rust that was in the old one. As you can see, it could probably use it either way, so I'm excited to just go ahead and get that cleaned up on both of them. And that's basically the only job we're doing today, guys. I'm really just waiting on piston rings, so I'll take you along for the ride. We'll get these boards cleaned up, get it back in the bag so it doesn't rust, keep some oil on it, and that's about it for today. So without further ado, let's get to honing. And just like that, guys, we have got some pretty clean looking bores here. Nice crosshatch on both of them. Obviously, nothing is going to be absolutely perfect with something as, I guess you could say, primitive as the dingle ball hone. But I'm really happy with that. It definitely cleaned up down near the bottom too, even though it's not where the piston stroke is. Those were a little rusty on this newer engine. So I'm just happy with how those look. Definitely hoping that the new rings will seat to that nicely. We'll get some good compression and this thing will run like a top. That's the goal. So just figured I would show you guys that real quick. I find it interesting. I hope you do too. Just smear a little bit of oil on them so they don't rust. And then I'm gonna put that bag back over it. And that's really all I gotta do today in the garage. We're pretty much out of work until we get some parts in. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. And yo, stay wrenching out there. Later.